Another day. Still snowing a little bit. Look how deep this is. This is the bottom of my door. That's the front door. Guys plowing our driveway. Yeah, there's still some snow flurries in the air. Quiet. There's this gigantic ice hanging like these, but I knocked that one down. That's enough. There's somebody on the driveway. I hear something up there too. Boy, he's got the big machine today. First time I ever saw that. Keep hearing out there. I don't know where. It might be the neighbor. Today's everybody's shovel out day, I guess. I don't know how we even get to this driveway. Oh, why? Oh, why? This is crazy. Never seen snow like this, ever. Maybe we'll be shoveled out by August. Maybe. Maybe. I can't imagine this stuff melting. It will, though. If you see my leg, you can see how high up that is. I don't know if that works or not. Whoops, I'm messing up the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Snow flurrying. You can see it against the tree over there. Cedar tree. You can see the icicles are dripping. It's not cold. Not really that cold. It's in the 30s, but only got somebody doing the neighbors too. Still very windy. Really windy. Sudden the gusts will pick up. He's going to bring the small one after he gets the big one. He's got the big one in the driveway now. I'll show you when it comes out. Then he's over there with the small one. He'll bring that in and finish it off. That's enough, Jasmine. Stop. Ridiculous. Bob,
What?
he's doing the driveway with a big machine.
Yeah, he knows how to plow.
And then he's got the small machine that he's going to finish it off with. I'm doing a video.
It's going to be more money.
No, I know. Come here.
I'm not coming here.
No, nobody's here. Just look at this. Look at this. Look how high that is.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
I knocked down a couple of those big icicles that were hanging. I'm just doing a video and I'll close the door after he comes out. Oh boy.
Holy shit.
What?
The plow out there by the house.
This drift right here is almost up to my waist. Right here. Here he's going. No, he's going for there. Okay, thanks for watching.